Let's see what this does.
Why? Have you anything to hide? He might scour through the whole CRECHE in his search. Be calm, Master. Those standing in truth need not fear YLLEK's gaze.
Sentries to arms! YLLEK, state your purpose quickly!
Stand down, Gish. Is it not Vlaakith's command to welcome her faithful?
I expected no visitors, faithful or otherwise. Why have you come?
The sentry considers you for a moment, assessing the risk you pose.
Very well. Perhaps Inquisitor Wargaz could use the aid of an adventurer. Seek the Inquisitor within. Step lightly, YLLEK. He's not known for his lenience.
Indolence breeds madness.
Let's move. On my way.
I heard they're making us join a patrol soon. The search must be going badly.
Hush, Quanywell!
Enough waiting. I crave blood. Quickly then.
What if they don't find the weapon? Do we even know it? Forgive me, just still. I wasn't complaining. I'm honored to help search.
Quanywell, look at her! She's clearly not with the Inquisition. See? I told you. Nothing to worry about.
She's in her quarters, through those doors.
Shouldn't have wished to live in more interesting times. With haste. Here we go.
Blood? Rust? Squall? Is there no odious substance not smeared on this delivery? I'd heard this plane was disgusting, but I didn't think it would be like this. Fine, but your paraphernalia had better be pristine.
No time to dally.
Eager for battle.
We're a long way from Waterdeep.
I'm ready. Whatever it takes.
Blacketh's will be done. Oh, enough waiting. I crave blood.
I wonder what the next move is.
Action, not reaction.
Yes?
On your way, then.
I'm awake. Mostly.
Back for more?
Another Istik. You're lucky we didn't catch you outside, or you'd be in with the captain right now.
An Istik allowed to soil our halls? Chicken.
Indolence breeds madness. Let us have words.
Chicken. Another outsider. Make yourself at home. The Chirai certainly has.
What to do?
Please, Chirai, I can explain. The latest batch of cultists knew nothing of the astral prism. They were just trying to find Moonrise. They all head there. My Gish have drafted plans to assault the tower. They are ready to fight. Chirai, we could sift the missing artifact from the tower's ashes if you would give us...
Quiet. Find the astral prism, Therazin. My patience falters.
Yes, Chirai. You heard him! Go!
Do as she says. She remains your Kithrak. For now.
Repositioning. A map of the Sword Coast. My people have scouted well beyond the temple. Within reach.
If you've something to say, speak to the Kithrak.
Worth examining. We must speak.
You are not familiar to me, Rastil. Do you bring news of the weapon? The Inquisitor? On what grounds? We have all the proof we need, and it has not moved his resolve. We know infected flock to Moonrise Towers. I reported the gathering masses back to Tunarath. In response, they sent an Inquisitor. Instead of ordering an assault, we were told to join in this mad hunt for an ancient relic. Inquisitor Wargaz has the Queen's ear, so we have no choice but to follow him in this folly. It is small, angular, metal, adorned with Tirsu script, stolen by true soul heretics.
You sense Shadowheart's worry. This weapon sounds like the artifact you carry.
What was that look? You know something. Do you have it? And yet your face betrays you. You found it, didn't you? Shema Zala Vlakith. Give it to me! No? Then I will take it from your corpse! Sharlak! God Alibi! Have no faith.
Survival is all that matters.
Let's finish this. No time to waste. You've been in better shape. Worth grabbing.
I speak, they burn. Nothing important is ever easy. Think you can take me on? No!
On the move. It's Alibi. Moving.
haste. Nothing will stand in my way. I'll strike you down.
Allow me to demonstrate. Knight to King 5.
Well, so much for peace. Hope your soul is in good hands.
Onward.
Unleash me.
Where do I go from here? Very well.
Weave, save me. I cannot take much more. Ha ha!
That's dealt with. But she wasn't the one pulling the strings here. At least things have stayed interesting.
I cannot die. Please help me.
Let's have a look. These boots have seen everything.
Assume nothing.
No time to rest. Is that blood? No, never
I
mind.
suppose you've noticed I'm not terribly fond of wolves. I've always been terrified of them, ever since I was a child. I showed you my memory of when I was lost in the woods. It can hardly come as a surprise. The Mother Superior wasn't above using it against me. If I disobeyed, sometimes instead of a whipping, she'd threaten to drag me to a wolf den. Never failed to bring me back in line. Why is it always the bad memories I can still recall? In any case, I'll be keen to avoid them. You're unlike the Mother Superior, then. Maybe that's what I like about you. You're different.
Fine. What's on your mind?
Action, not reaction.
Oh, lovely little pick-me-up.
There is work to do.
Vlaakith's will be done. Curious.
Never a dull moment. Open up.